welcome to my channel. For those of you who doesn't know me, my name is Beauty Brown. So the purpose of this video is to show you guys how I transformed my workshop in my apartment into my baby's nursery room. So the reason why I transformed it into a nursery room was because I got a job outside, so I no longer have that time to make dresses at home, and my job is a little bit complicated because I work from Monday to Friday, so I only have Saturday and Sunday as my resting day. So we're planning on moving into a big apartment, but due to my coordination I was pregnant, and there was some complication, some difficulties, so we decided to transform this space into our nursery room because the room was just there and we were not using it. So we were like, okay, let's just do this and see if we will be able to create a space for our newborn. So on this video we got our furniture from Seed Discount. It's a site where you can get anything you want, so there are cheaper things over there. We got this set of baby's furniture, like the wardrobe and the crib all together. So we got them from Seed Discount. For those of you who might want to check it out, they have cheaper things over there. So as you can see, we started little by little. It actually took us about approximately 1 month to be able to fix everything: the crib, the wardrobe, and another short small wardrobe. It's not a wardrobe, but so as you can see, we started to assemble them after we received the furniture. So it was quite difficult, but we did it anyway. At a point we were considering hiring someone to help us out because we were a little bit confused, although I kind of spoiled something inside. But so my fiancé was able to rectify the problem, and he had to discouple them and assemble them again and again. So it wasn't really easy, but we did it anyway. And after said and done, they all came out solid and strong. So we did a great job by assembling them, and it wasn't really that easy. So yeah. This was after we finished assembling the furniture. As you can see, they all look beautiful and solid. So here is when we received the furniture. So this is the after we done with the crib. So, and here was when everything was set. Everything we needed was already inside the small space. So you can see the difference between when it was my sewing workshop and when is now my little baby nursery room. It's quite cute. I like it because I like the way I decorated it. I just wanted to make it simple because the place is not that big. I love it because it's beautiful. It's very beautiful because newborn really don't need a lot of things. They don't really need mansions, they don't need big houses. They don't really care about those things because they don't know about those things not until they started growing up. So for now, here is my baby nursery room. So maybe when she gets to about 8 to 9 months, we might move out to a bigger apartment. So for now, I think this is a perfect place for her. Thank you so much everybody for watching. If you like this video, please comment and share, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.